So we're gonna go on a dolphin tour and watch the sunrise on a boat. And then we're heading to a waterfall and a temple. So, pretty exciting. We got up at 2 in the morning. So we just finished the little boat ride. We got to see a lot of dolphins, and we are on the north end of Bali. So we are at the black sand beach, and it was so cool. We got to see the sunrise, a bunch of dolphins, and now we're just gonna go get some breakfast and head to a waterfall. So now we are grabbing some breakfast at Starlight, Starlight, and we are right on the beach. And those are the boats that we took out. They're little fishing boats. There's a cute little boy right here. Hi.
Nasi goreng is the fried rice, right?
Yeah.
That's what I got. Okay, good.
Hi.
What are you doing, huh? Look again.
So we're starting off. I have a fruit juice. Christian has a fruit salad, and then we both got some coffee. So we got our food. We got traditional Indonesian breakfast. I got noodles. Christian got fried rice, and we have a little friend. He's just chilling.
And this is inside.
Ah,
It's look like this. So you can eat it already.
you can eat it?
Yeah, because this is roasted already.
Oh, very cool.
Chili and red chili. So
cool.
guys, if you want to see the panorama, you can go up there.
Yeah.
Or if you want to go.
Oh my gosh. So we are walking to the waterfall right now, and we stopped right up here, and look at this view. It is so gorgeous. So we are hiking to Git waterfall, and we're stopping to take some pictures. We just tried some roasted coffee. It was delicious. So we just went swimming in a waterfall, and now we're at a bigger one. We went to a hidden waterfall, and it was so cool. Oh my gosh, my face is so red. Well, we just finished the waterfall. Now we're gonna try some tea and coffee, and then head to the temple. I'm gonna try to cool down. Coconut. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy,
It's amazing, thank you. So now we're gonna try tea. Looks so good. And then all the coffee. So this is the cinnamon tea. Oh, that's so tasty.
Oh wow.
That's so good.
That's so good.
Alright guys, so Christian's going to sleep. Don't mind my appearance.
Nah.
But I just took a shower. My camera died in the middle of when we were at the last place, the Hindu temple. But I did get some footage with my other camera, like my main camera. Yeah, today was amazing. I figured I would just end the vlog today. It was absolutely amazing, but we were so tired. I think we're just gonna take a little nap. We got back to the resort. It was about a 12-hour day of like non-stop activities, so we're pretty tired. I think we're just gonna take a little nap. I'm gonna start like going through the footage, editing pictures, and then hopefully we don't sleep through the night. Hopefully we're just gonna take a nap, and then we'll probably head to dinner. We did get a little snack and like a glass of wine and drinks at our Airbnb. But yeah, I figured I would just end the vlog. I'm a bit of pain just from like the bruising from the accident, but so I think I'm just gonna take it easy and relax. We had to get up at 2 in the morning to get ready to get picked up by 3 a.m. to start all of this, so we're pretty tired. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you next time.